Divot Repair Tool. A great gift for the avid golfer in your life. Our divot tool provides a multitude of functions designed specifically for on-course play, all contained in one convenient tool. Quality construction. Constructed of durable zinc alloy, our golf divot tool is exceptionally sturdy and allows you to fix a green divot with ease. Ergonomic design. Our divot tool and ball marker features a compact, ergonomic design for added ease of use. Club cleaner. A built-in nylon bristle brush and metal groove cleaner keep your clubs looking clean and fresh and make removing even the toughest spots of dirt easier than ever before. Magnetic ball marker. Quickly mark your ball with our new and improved magnetic ball marker, now with the Callaway logo. Top reviews from the United States. Ball marker and ball mark removal tool are A+. I've used this for about 6 rounds now and I find it to be very useful and sturdy. The brush for cleaning the grooves on your club isn't really useful, and the metal groove cleaner is absolutely useless. I primarily use it for repairing balls marks and marking my ball. For those purposes it is perfect.